What's up, guys? We have decided, after numerous discussions throughout the week, that we want to try this fishing for carp with corn. I've never ever done it. Maybe it's a Midwest thing. I didn't grow up in the Midwest, but we're going to give it a try. So hopefully we have some good video for you here. That's what we're going to do this evening. We're not yet sure what we'll be doing tomorrow, but as always, we'll bring you with us, excuse me. And this time we're actually going to weigh each carp. Little father-son challenge. We haven't decided what's going to happen to the loser yet, but we'll work on that, and we'll have some video coming up for you. Thanks.
Well, I just spent the last minute or two loading this bad boy up with corn, so heard it works well, so we're going to cast her out there. All we're using is a hook loaded with that corn, a 20-pound leader, and then just a slip bobber up above the swivel. So, simple setup, but we'll see if it gets any bites or not. Looks like we're getting a bite. We've been here probably 5 minutes. Been out here 5 minutes. I doubt you guys can see that, but it definitely looks like I'm getting a bite. I'm going to give it a second, make sure he takes it. Or maybe he stole my bait. No, it's still there. Am I good?
Yep.
Yeah, no, nothing. Nothing there. I lost a few kernels. I don't know what that means, but I definitely lost some kernels. So, we're just gonna throw it back out there. Ooh. That could be just the wind, but like, looked okay. Did you feel it? Yeah, no, that was definitely a fish.
I don't know if it was a carp or...
I mean, there's no corn, it doesn't really matter. It would be nice to catch any fish right now.
Corn sucks.
That did not go nearly as what we planned. We went out with the corn, and first 5 minutes we both had a bite right away, and then it all just died from there. We saw fish topping the water near where our lines were in and stuff like that, but it wasn't good.
Good morning. It is about 6 o'clock. The carp do not like corn in the Midwest, because we saw carp all over last night, but no carp were caught. So we are going to head out this morning to the head of a river where it meets a bay and see what we could do there. Fishing's kind of screwed up. The weather's not cooperating. It's, don't know if you can see it, 32 degrees right now, and it's going to be super windy later. So, and the water's still super cold. So we're going to do what we can do today. It's going to be how many species can we catch in one day. So that's what we're going to do this morning. We'll see you out there. At least we have a beautiful, beautiful sunrise before the wind picks up and everything gets super nasty. We'll have some good video for you today, though.
Alright, we are here. We've been here for a little bit. What we're using is, we just got some night crawlers on the bottom, and then we're just jigging with a few minnows. We're pretty much just trying to catch whatever we can. Not really going after a certain species, but it is a chilly morning, but it is beautiful out here. It is nice to get out, so we're gonna see what we can catch. I just got on. No! That thing was huge. Biggest carp I've ever seen. Oh! I'm assuming it was hooked because that...
I saw it in the mouth.
Did you? Oh, darn it.
There it is.
There we go. assuming it's northern or musky because of the way it's running, but I don't know.
No, it's a carpet.
Yeah, you're right.
Not a very big one. Not as big as yours, though.
Wimpy. Man, this is wimpy. Almost 3, 2.91. Yeah, of course.
Appreciate that. Look at your fish, bud.
Really?
Yeah. That's why you don't leave it in there, dude.
Oh my gosh. It's a huge pike.
That's right. You got the camera?
Yeah. Whew.
Whoa, northern!
So, guy over here just caught a big old carp, so I went to go net it for him. I just left my thing in the water for like 2 seconds. Then there was a fish. So, that was fun. Alright, now let's just get this guy back in the water. There he goes. Now my hands are nasty.
That's just there.
Nice. No, it might have been that guy. I think that's a fish. Yeah, I think so. Yep. Yep.
Talk to it.
Walleye. Yeah.
I have the cooler in the car.
Nice walleye. There it goes. Woo! Huh. Slimy hands again. Slimy hands. Big fish. You, what?
Yeah. We need to. Let me reel right in.
Broke it off. Son of a gun. Thing just smacked it and started running. Oh man. You know where it's at?
In the water?
Thank you. Appreciate that. Nothing huge. What are you? You crazy? Nice. Took you long enough.
No. We can scale quick.
6.675. 6.67. It's about the same size as the last one. Small little walleye.
Nice.
Woo!
So like, quick thing I picked up is that
I am the winner. He is the loser.
He beat me in the father-son weight challenge. We were going to do just carp, but apparently carp around here do not like corn, so I lost. He had, I think, 12 pounds, and I ended up with 9 pounds of fish. We kind of went with species of fish, not carp, because obviously we didn't catch any. And how many species?
We caught a total of, I believe it was 4 species.
Yes, I think that's right. Sheephead, walleye, northern, and carp. So, we had a good time. I do want to apologize to everyone out there watching that we did not do a pickling video like we said we were going to. We're going to smoke some suckers and pickle them, and we didn't post videos of that. My apologies. I got home from work and started pickling fish and got to it, and when I was all done, I looked at him and said, we forgot to video that. So
Yeah, and when we were done, there was really no point in videoing it.
none.
We would be showing the jars full of fish.
Right. So when we open those jars and do a taste testing, we'll put a video of that. So so the father-son challenge, he won with poundage of fish, 4 species, as I had mentioned in the previous video. We were going after today. It was a great day, windy, kind of cold and everything. So one cool thing that happened with this today, it was kind of the highlight of the day, was while we were out fishing, there was a 4-year-old there, 4-ish, I guess, little boy who was just really into fishing. And talking to his mom, he was talking to her and said that he wanted to catch fish on his own pole and not have somebody hook it, and he reeled in on something else. So he caught a fish on his own, and that was a big carp.
Yeah, it was probably 5-6 pounds.
Yeah, 5-6 pound carp. It was decent, and he reeled in on his own completely, and it was fantastic watching him do that. And the coolest thing to me was that kid is hooked for life. He's going to be a fisherman. He was patient. He was doing everything his mom and grandpa told him. It was wonderful. And with everything going on in the world today, some good news is kind of nice to hear. So that was kind of my takeaway from the day, and that was pretty awesome.
Yeah, and my favorite part about him catching that fish is when he caught that small carp, he smack talked.
He did.
He really did.
He did. He looked at my carp. He said, "That's not nearly as big as mine." So not only is he 4, he's a fisherman, and he can smack talk. So that was pretty awesome. So thank you guys for watching us, and thank you everyone that subscribes. And we're gonna do a giveaway once we hit 50 subscribers. So that sound good?
Yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you pay attention to the videos, because if you miss a video, you might miss that giveaway. You miss that giveaway, you're gonna be sad. Don't be sad.
Don't be sad. So
Don't be sad.
next week we have no idea what's going on with everything going on. There's counties around here that are closing fishing off completely, so we have no idea. Everything's up in the air, but we will continue to post every week and bring you some more good content, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it and having fun, and we're having a blast.
I'm enjoying it because I'm beating you most of the time.
He is. Not for long though. So thanks for watching, and until next week, thank you for watching Triple R Outdoors.